Greetings, this is Anwen. What you see in front of you is a very sacred mountain. It is sacred mountain Aoraki, also known as Aoraki, also known as Mount Cook. It is located in the southern island of New Zealand, and it is the throat chakra of New Zealand. Yesterday and today, the fifth dimensional aspect of the planetary throat chakra, somewhere in the Himalayas, is being activated. And so I'm working with Aoraki at this time because all of the sacred mountains around the world are connected through the crystal beings of the mountains. And so I bring to you this activation to take your own throat chakra up into the upper dimensions and to magnify and amplify all of the functions of the throat chakra, which of course are to do with communication. When we embody our divinity and our great divine I am presence, all of our communication is that of the divine. Every word and that we speak, every sound that we make, every thought that we have, everything that we hear should be of the uppermost frequencies. And so this activation to the throat chakra is going to help us to step into this high level way of being, particularly with our communication. Ori kakala kishana na kira la la ko he kashana kala ke iya ka ho he kashana kinana kolo la la kashia ho he kala kola shirala ho kala kinini na kalo kala kala shola kala ila la ka. And so it is, and so it is, and so it is. We give thanks to the guardians of Aoraki. We give thanks to all of the ancestors and to the beautiful beings who dwell here, holding the frequencies of incredible love and light for the planet. Thank you, thank you, thank you.